Mastering flexible manufacturing systems. Flexible manufacturing systems ignite operational excellence. How do the primary goals and objectives of implementing a flexible manufacturing system, FMS, contribute to achieving operational excellence in a production environment? The primary goals and objectives of implementing a flexible manufacturing system, FMS, significantly contribute to achieving operational excellence in a production environment. Firstly, FMS enables production flexibility, which allows for the rapid response to changes in demand, reducing inventory levels, and improving lead times. This flexibility is essential in today's dynamic market, where customer preferences and demand patterns are constantly shifting. By producing a variety of products on the same line, FMS facilitates the ability to respond quickly to these changes, thereby improving overall customer satisfaction. Secondly, FMS optimizes resource utilization, minimizing waste, and reducing production costs. The system's ability to automatically switch between different product lines ensures that the production equipment is fully utilized, minimizing idle time and reducing the need for redundancy. This, in turn, leads to a significant reduction in production costs, which can then be redirected to other critical business areas, such as innovation and product development. Thirdly, FMS improves product quality, which is essential for achieving operational excellence. The system's advanced computer-aided design and manufacturing capabilities ensure precision, accuracy, and consistency in production, resulting in high-quality products that meet customer expectations. Lastly, FMS facilitates real-time data collection and analysis, enabling manufacturers to monitor and optimize their production processes in real time. This data-driven approach enables data-driven decision-making, which is critical for achieving operational excellence. In conclusion, the primary goals and objectives of implementing a flexible manufacturing system significantly contribute to achieving operational excellence in a production environment. By enabling production flexibility, optimizing resource utilization, improving product quality, and facilitating data-driven decision-making, FMS plays a vital role in driving manufacturing excellence.